Apple may be about to shake up the chip world again, with a new rumor claiming Intel will start manufacturing some of Apple's custom silicon, including future iPhone chips, as part of a broader push to reduce dependence on TSMC. Instead of going back to old Intel-designed processors, Apple would keep full control of chip design while outsourcing a slice of production to Intel's advanced foundry lines, reportedly starting with lower-end M-series chips for Macs and iPads around 2027, and then moving to a small share of non-Pro iPhone A-series chips from about 2028. The big strategic play here is supply chain diversification and geopolitics. Apple wants a second cutting-edge manufacturing base, much of it in the US, to hedge against risks in East Asia and gain leverage in chip pricing and capacity negotiations. For Intel, landing Apple as a foundry customer would be a massive credibility boost for its 18A and future 14A nodes as it tries to catch up to TSMC and Samsung, while also aligning with Washington's push for more domestic semiconductor production under subsidies and industrial policy. If this deal locks in, future made-on-Intel iPhone and Mac chips could become a key talking point in both tech marketing and US tech policy debates.